Today we are working on Excel Lesson 1, the 8th lesson, working with compatibility mode. So this is what you should have open. Click File and then click Open. Navigate to the Starter Files folder. So you're going to need to browse and go to your Jasper Active stuff. Your starter files, and double click the Retirement Planner workbook to open it. This workbook includes formulas that will calculate the required earnings and saving each year to achieve your retirement goals. Click File, make sure Info is active, and then we're going to click Check for Issues, and then we're going to check Compatibility. That's going to open up. A quick look at the relative size of the elevator button to the length of the vertical scroll bar indicates how many compatibility issues you have when trying to save the workbook to the older format. In addition, this window shows the number of occurrences at each problem. So you can look through and you can see this. Read through the list of findings and then click OK. For the purpose of this exercise, you will proceed with saving this workbook in the older format, even though there are unresolved compatibility issues. Having trouble reading today. So go to the next, click File, Save As, click Browse, go to your My Projects folder, and in the Save As dialog box in the type, we want to click Excel 97-2003 workbook, which is this one right here. The Save As dialog box displays all the other existing workbooks of the same type. There are no others in this folder. Change the file name to My Retirement Planner. So I'm going to click right at the beginning and type My Retirement Planner and then click Save. Click Continue. This message box describes some of the problems you may have when using the older version of Excel. The Compatibility Checker dialog box gave you the details of the differences. Because this is a standard warning for any workbook containing formulas, these problems may not apply to this workbook. Click Yes. Press Ctrl W. That closes the workbook. Keep the Excel application window open. Click File, Open, Browse. Select the My Retirement Planner workbook to open it. The workbook name in the title bar now shows the label Compatibility Mode next to it. You can see right up here it says My Retirement Planner and Compatibility Mode. Close the workbook again and don't save any changes. So close it, mark as answered, and submit. Submit results. 2 green check marks tell me we've done it right. So this completes working with compatibility mode.